Okay, class, get ready, yeah? So some of you might using this calculator, FX570EX, some using MS. So before I start chapter 1, okay, I briefly to show you certain steps by using the calculator, okay? So I show you a few first, not all, you can't learn all at once, right? 不能一次学到完的嘛, right? Now, so first of all, okay, if you are using EX1, if you are using EX, I think plus, minus, times, divide, that one should be no problem for you, right? 加减乘除的, this one should be okay. What I'm trying to show you is, if you are using your calculate with fraction. Fraction means pecahan, 分数. Now, fraction, if you are using this calculator, see, let's say I want to make it 4 per 光线太亮了。OK， 这样比较 clear 啊，能看到吗 ？See this button 4 per 5。Let's say 4 per 5，你放这个 button equal EX 等下啊 equal 4 per 5。If you want to change it to decimal, you use this button again. 看到吗 ？OK， there control this button only. 看到没有 ？Control this button 啊 ，wait 啊。EX1 just for a while. For you that using MS, you can learn also. Maybe one day your calculator spoil already. You borrow the calculator from a friend, so you know how to use. Okay, let's say you want to make it mixed number. You know mixed number? Mixed number 就是我们所谓的带分数，知道没有？带分数啊 ，OK 啊，wait 啊。Let's say 1 and 2 per 5，第有2/5。1 and 2 per 5. So you put equal. There, same thing. 1.4. Hannah, there, you press back. Then if you want to make it, Hannah, improper fraction, she, this one. Control 这两个 control these two. See, okay 的 See 1.4, 1 and 2 per 5, shift this, there. So for you that using MS, these two buttons, cannot just use these two buttons for the fraction. I'm trying to explain the fraction first. The rest should be okay. Square everything, not yet. So if you're using this button, can you see fraction? Hey, sorry. Okay, 看到这个吗？ You key in this one. Let's say 2 per 5. There, you put the arrow here, equal. Come 2 per 5, right? So you use this button. Okay, 0.4. 这个 button, see? Just control this button. 看到没有 ？Okay? So means for you that using EX, these two button for the fraction. 看到吗 ？Okay? Then you see this one, orange one. 看到上面有一个小小的 orange 吗 ？So if you want to use this button, you go shift this one. 这个就是你们的带分数 ，means mixed number. 现在 OK，let's say 1 and 2, because the 1 and 2 per 5 for this calculator is like that. The 1 and 2 per 5, then you go this arrow 5. 看到没有 ？OK 啊，放这个 equal. 来7 per 5，看到吗？来 you control this button 1.4. For you that using this one, you control this button 1.4，看到吗 ？OK， so this button 来7 per 5 1.4. Clear 呢？明白了没有 ？So again, can you see here? Any that with the brown one, any that with the brown, you go shift this one. 子琪，你用什么 calculator 啊 ？EX or MS？ 子琪 can I know whether you're using EX? Both also got, Okay, good. Okay, so understand already? At the moment, for the first chapter, you need is this 4 button and fraction for this calculator, then fraction for this calculator. The rest, I'll go slow with you. Okay, yeah? Okay, next. Get ready your exercise. So means class, I'm not going to show you each time 2 calculators. Since I show you already, later, I will get one of my calculator to show you will do. Cannot, yeah? So you know how to get ready for the fraction, yeah? So like class, now, we get ready for chapter 1. Chapter 1 for the rational numbers. So you are advised not to squeeze all the answer here. You get ready one exercise book. If you didn't have any exercise book yet, get some foolscap paper. For you that physical, you can get a paper there. 准备一些纸张。You get this one. Okay, so means for your practice, excuse me for a while. Sorry, class. Sorry. Okay, so means for your practice, make sure you write down practice 1.1a. Yeah. So some of your practice, I want you to submit your work for me to mark. Some, there are some that I have explained. Okay. State whether each of the following is a positive or negative number. So I think it's quite easy, right? Yeah. So you see the positive one. So class, for my practice, okay, so for my practice, you write down this is chapter 1, yeah? Chapter 1, then practice. Just a minute, guys. Okay, so you write down practice 1.1a. So, see, state whether each of the following is a positive or negative number. In exam, you write in full, positive number, negative number. But for my practice, I just ask you to go a bit short form way. Okay, now, but remember, in exam, you write in full. I mean, in exam, you write in full. Now, so let's say it's positive, you just write the positive number. Here, now? If negative, you write like this. Negative number. This is a short form of writing. But in exam, write in full. 赵家能看到吗？对啊，好像看见有戴眼镜嘛，坐在前面一点啊。看得到啊 ？OK， 我怕你这样一直睁着只剩你的，对啊 ？OK， so like class just complete easy. If positive means either they type the positive or didn't put the plus one. Didn't put the plus is still positive. Okay 呢 ？Yeah, unless you see the negative one, then you tell negative. 明白吗 ？Okay, I repeat, this one also positive. Didn't write means positive, which means that positive, write or without writing is acceptable. 明白了没有 ？Okay, let's complete. No need to copy questions, yeah? Just write down positive or negative will do. Got it, all of you? 明白吗 ？OK， 来写下来先。说赵翔啊，今天起要努力了啊，看到没有 ？Every single question 要跟着啊，不报的时候呀。Means for the questions I ask you to try, yeah. So some that I want to mark. So after class, for you that join physical, you just put on my table for me to mark. For you that join online, so you can send to my WhatsApp. But when you send to my WhatsApp for me to mark, don't send via PDF. Normal, yeah, normal only. Yeah, PDF is quite difficult for me. Okay, class, can you send ready number one? Should be okay, right? So you see what is the answer? Huba? Positive 这样 positive. You don't say plus VE. Positive number. Positive number. Junior? What is the answer here? No, you see? D. Positive number. Okay, Zhao Xiang? Negative number. Okay, Ziqi?
Negative number.
Negative number. Okay, na? Got na? Line number 2. You're asked to determine. When you see the word determine, Kanama, can you see the word determine? Your answer whether it's true, false, yes, no. Kanama, when you see the word determine, if question said true, false, you follow true, false. But if question didn't mention, just said determine, you can tell true, false, you can tell yes, no. Okay, determine whether each of the following statements is true or false. So number 2, A. So if it's false, you just write F for me, or you want to write FALSE, is okay. If true, you can write T for me, but or TRUE. Okay, class. 0. 0 is a positive number. True or false? Just your general knowledge. True. True. You? True. Zhao Xiang? True. Ziqi? True or false? Right, class? 听好来啊 0 is not positive and also is not negative. 0, we call it a neutral integer. Meaning of what? It does not have a positive or negative value. You cannot write positive 0. You cannot write negative 0. No. 0 is by itself. It is considered a whole number. So class, okay, listen to me first, yeah? I want you to write, although here didn't ask you to explain. Here didn't ask you to explain. Later, I want you to copy down my explanation. Why? In exam, sometimes the question will say, state the reason or explain your answer. 明白了没有？所以记得啊 remember, 0 is not positive and also not negative. 0 is what? Whole number. A neutral number, whole number. Okay, so you see the number line, you know number line, 数目线, 0 is the middle one, right? Then we got positive, we got negative, is it? So 0 is not positive, 0 is also not negative. 明白了没有? Okay, so 2A, you tell false. You can write F or false. So here I give you some explanation. False, okay? So the question didn't ask, but I give you, so you write down the explanation, okay? Yeah? Neutral integer. What do you mean by integer? Later, I'll explain again the meaning of integer. It is considered a whole number. So, 这只是给一个 explanation. Okay, you know what is IE or not? IE. 会用 IE 吗? IE means iaitu. That is. 那就是. Okay, IE means iaitu. 那就是. That is. It does not have a positive or negative value. It is considered a whole number. 它是一个 whole number. What is whole number? 华语叫什么？整数。Nomor bulat. Whole number. 整数。Okay? Whole number means what you know? Whole number means we got no decimal, no fraction one. Whole number. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay? Understand already the meaning of 0, yeah? So remember, 0 is not a positive, yeah? It's also not a negative number. Okay, 8 is a positive number, true or false? 8, yes, true, just write true. C, -2 is a negative number. True, just tell true, okay? This one easy. 11 is a negative number. False. Cannot, just tell false. Is that clear? So the rest, they won't ask you to give a reason, like 8, positive is positive, they won't ask you the reason. But 0 came up before in the exam. Ask you why it is not positive or why it is not negative. So you tell that 0 is a whole number. In the exam, you just tell 0 is a whole number. Okay, okay, now we go number 3. Represent each of the following situations by using a positive number and or a negative number. Meaning of what? Okay, we see number 3. It's quite easy also for the start. It's not that hard. Right. The melting point of a material is -1 degree Celsius and its boiling point is positive 90 degree Celsius. So you're asked to represent each of the following situation by using a positive number and also a negative number. So meaning of what? Okay, melting point, right? Melting point means -1. So now, boiling point means positive 90. You can write down the positive or negative. Sorry, positive or didn't write. You got what I mean? Okay, so means you tell that the boiling point. -1. No need to write the unit, is okay one. Cannot, is not wrong. But if your school teacher wants you to write the unit, so you follow. Understand or not? Can write or without writing is accepted one. Now some of school teacher, they say, oh, you must do this and that. Okay, now you follow. Okay? The boiling. Hey, sorry. I make a mistake already. This is what? Melting point. I'm sorry. Sorry, this is melting point. Then the other one only boiling. Yes, Zixing, yes, thank you. Okay, so this is the boiling point. Represented by, okay, say 90 or positive 90. And like what I mentioned, plus, if you want to write like that, also not wrong. -1 degree, 90 degree, accepted. Okay, that. Okay, not, yeah? So, certain school teachers want to, okay, you must write the unit. You have to follow the unit. Okay, you go ahead. 明白我讲什么了没有？ Okay. Next. If you worry that you might get wrong or what, okay, now you go and write the unit. It's okay one. 明白了没有啊？ It's B. What is answer for B? A bird is flying at a height of 50 meters above the ground. So you say the what? The height. Ketinggian. The height above. Okay, no need to say the bird already. Understood. We mentioned about the bird. So the height above the ground. Just tell above the ground will do. No need to mention the bird anymore. Yeah, the height above the ground is same like just now, represented by, yeah, if positive, you can write two way. Yeah, just now I said positive, you write what? 50 or, yeah, positive 50. Got it? Okay. Okay, look at the paper. A whale is at 25 meters below sea level. So 25 meters below sea level means -25. Below sea level. You got what I mean? Below sea level, yeah? Okay, so you write down 25, sorry. Just give the explanation. 25 meter, wait, below sea level is represented by -25. Especially for you that you learn Chinese for your maths in primary, any English word that you can't understand, you let me know. Okay, I explain in Mandarin for you. Yeah? Okay, so next we see the price of share P increased by 8 cents, while the price of share Q decreased by 13 cents. Okay, so now how to do already? Okay, you have a try D yourself and see. The price of share P is represented by what? The price of share Q is represented by what? Yeah, the explanation now, you tell the price of share P is represented by, the price of share Q is represented by. If positive, you can write two ways. One with plus, one without plus, yeah? Okay, got it, class? Know how to write? Yeah. Okay. Can follow all of you? Next, now you look at number 4. Just mark for integers and cross for non-integers. Okay. Still need the answer here? Any of you still need the answer here? Hay không ạ? Okay. And look at this. Class, can you see this word integers? Non-integers? Okay, I'm going to explain the meaning of integers and non-integers. Listen to me. Integers means we got no decimal, no fraction. All must be whole number with 0, positive or negative. Meaning of integers means what? Okay, no need to copy. This one just listen. Maybe I got -5, -4, -3, -2, contoh, -1, 0. And here actually we do have, you know what I put this one? This one means we got -6, -7, and so on. And here I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, I put 3 dot will do, yeah? 3 dot 就是代表 and so on 啦。Okay, now so means this one we call it integers. 听好来 ，integers consists of 3 parts， 有3个部分。Integer ada 3 bahagian， 有3个部分 ，3 parts. That is 0 itself, because 0 is not positive and is not negative, right? So this one we call it what? Integer positive. Here, integers negative. So integers consists of no what? 没有什么 no fraction, no decimal. Fraction 就是分数，不可以有分数，不可以有小数。Got it? Integer, you can't have fraction, you can't have decimal. Got it? Okay, now number 4, I leave it to you. Just put a tick or cross there. Try to get all correct. See which is integer, which is not. If yes, you put a tick. If it's not, you put a cross will do. Okay, sorry for waiting. Should be okay, right? Right. So checking. If wrong, you do corrections by using different ink beside that to do corrections. Yeah. 如果有错的话做订正啊。I think all of you should get all correct, right? 这个很简单罢了。Yes or no? This one, is it integer? Yes. This one? No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes, right? Clear 呢？会吗 ？So understand what is the meaning of integers already? 知道什么是 integers 啊？记起来啊 ！No fraction, no decimals. Okay, now we continue 1.1b now. Okay, what I asked to do now, we learn number line now. Number line. Okay, for you, you want to draw the number line, you can get your grid paper. You all can go and get a grid paper. Or you don't want to use grid paper pun tak apa. But grid paper will be easier. You can use ruler to measure. 你要用尺画也可以. You want to use ruler, up to you, yeah? Grid paper to measure the grid. Or just use the grid paper also can. 你们要用小方格的 also we have that. If you don't want to use grid paper, you can measure with the ruler every 1 cm or 2 cm. 1 cm is grid paper. Okay, so this, if you are using grid paper or anything, you write down practice 1.1b. Yeah, practice 1.1b. By using suitable skills. You know what I mean by skills? Skills means alternate 1, 2, 3, 4. Or alternate 2, 4, 6, 8. Or 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. 这个叫做 skills. 可以吗? So what I want you to do is, okay, you see here, for example, let's say you want to represent to the number line, you do it like this. So how long you have to draw the number line? Okay, wait first. You listen to me first, then later when you do. You're not sure how long you want to draw, right? Okay, because if sometimes it's too short, or sometimes maybe too long, or what, right? Yeah, I think I use. Yeah, this color okay, Anna? This color we are. Okay, so wait, meaning that how are you going to draw? Listen to me first, then later only you'll draw, yeah? If not, later you might get the skill that. Wait, class. So when you start, you're not so sure how long that you have to draw. Maybe you no need to draw the arrow yet. Okay, there's arrow right. See that? Left, right. Left, right, you see with the arrow? Later you can draw the arrow. Meaning of what? How are you going to do? Okay, with a suitable skill, let's say, what do you think here? If it's not that many numbers, -4 to 9. -4 means left 4. 9 means right 9. 4 and 9, I think 13 grid. 看到没有 ？13 看到吗？左边4个，右边9个。-4 means left 4. Positive 9 means right 9. So if you make it 4 and 9, 13. 13 is not that long, right? If it's not that long, maybe you can use alternate 1. 明白我讲什么吗 ？Alternate 1. Okay, maybe let's say you calculate, it's so long, around 50. You can't get alternate 1 already, right? Maybe you got alternate 5 or alternate 2 like that. 明白吗? You got what I mean? You see how long? How long? How are you going to make sure how long? 看 9, the biggest number. 我教你们怎样看 9 is the biggest number. -4 is the smallest number. You get big number minus the smallest one. So means 9 minus -4 means we got 13. Later I show you how 13. Okay, 13, right? So 13, later I teach you how to calculate that. I just show you how to get first. 13 maybe you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 like that 13个 You got what I mean? So let's say after you decide, you put like that. So class, you know this is the biggest, right? When you go to left, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, getting to the left, makin ke kiri, makin kecil. 越左边越小的。So means the smallest is -4, so you go -4. -3. -3 not given, right? So we just put the mark. We just put the mark. Then -2. -1 have or not? Other -1? No, listen first. Then after -1 is what? 0. Other 0? Yes. 1, 2, 3. See that? 4, 5, 6. See that? 7, 8, 9. Yeah, done. If not given, you don't label. Not given one, you don't label. You got what I mean? If you want to label, got 2 ways. 2 ways is like that. So which that you want to choose, up to you. You listen to me first. Don't do yet. Now let's say you feel that your line is quite long or what, you want to make it a bit shorter. Okay, you erase. Erase. 差给它可以差一点点，不要的话就会用回咯。It's okay one. 明白没有？ Now so class, let's say you want to do this way pun boleh. Just for a while don't rush to do yet. You try to understand which that you want to choose. I say no already shorter. Okay, I make it shorter. So if you want to do like this, not wrong, you can do like this also. Let's say -4, -3, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can bracket those that are only. You can bracket the answer that asked to do to show these are your answer. Or without showing. Up to you. 明白了没有? Can I say? Okay, so which one that you prefer, you copy down first for the A. 来，先抄下来。Which that you prefer, you don't simply want, if you didn't get the Greek paper, you must measure. Measure 1 cm, 1 cm, 1 cm. Not freehand, dot, like that. Okay, now. I had these students before. What did the student do, you know? Oh, he did freehand. Freehand means what? Dia tak guna ruler, dia just draw, simply put the mark. Tak boleh. Okay, the mark between must be the same length. Done? Done, anak A? Because I want to explain B. Các bạn okay 吗? Done, anak class A? 好了没有? Not yet. Okay, make it fast, yeah? Now let's say B, you see. What do you think the suitable skills? If you want to use alternate one pun boleh. But, okay, because it's quite many already, you see, 19. From 3 to 19, 16 boxes already. So you check your paper, 16 boxes, sometimes it's not enough, right? Or if you're not using the grid one, okay, like you make it half cm like that. 你也可以做一个一个这样。哎，赵翔，停课一下。你为什么好像很忙在你的 calculator 这样？没有用到 calculator 啊？先停啊。So class, 停啊。Okay, so let's say you want to use, can you see here odd number? Odd number? 叫 odd number 吗 ？Odd number 是什么？ganjil 奇数13579 odd number. So you want to make it odd number pun boleh. Now let's say if I want to make it odd number. Yeah, you see, let's say here 3, you can start from 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. So which that has? So 3. Okay, so Sienna, we don't have 6 here, right? 6 应该在这里了咯。看到吗？ 6 will be here, right? So you mark this one as 3, let's say. So just now I say if you don't want to write this one, you know that 5, 7, we don't have one, 9, 11, okay, this one we don't have. 17, 19, right? Okay, so what you can do is, 你可以这样做。刚才讲 3, 5, 7, so you can tell that 6 is here. So everything done. 这样咯。Must according, 不可以随便的。Your skill cannot be simply. 明白吗？ Skill cannot be simply means what, you know? You cannot do like this. You cannot suka-suka. 1, 3, then suka-suka here 5. You see? The length is not the same already. Cannot. You want to make it all 1 cm, 1 cm, 1 cm, or 2 cm, 2 cm, 2 cm. 要有 same length. Got what I mean? Okay? 明白吗？ Wait, I ask you one question, class, before you continue the rest. What do you think this one? 你要用什么？ 50, 15咯 alternate 5. You go left. Negative 看到吗 ？Go left. Here, 你认为要放什么？ Yeah? 9, yes, 9. Alternate 9. 看到吗 ？Because all these the multiple of 9. 看到没有 ？Okay, try to complete the rest and see. A, you no need to copy 2, Copy 1 will do, Okay, so wait, I delete this one because I didn't use everything one. So means all the while I show this method, those that given only. Okay 吗？我用给的罢了哈。So if it's negative, remember you go to the left, from the smallest one. You want to go to right pun boleh. So you come to the smallest one, let's say negative 30. 看到吗？negative 25. Negative 20. Negative 20 not given, sorry. Let's say you're careless type, you write first. Let's say got no 20, you can write first. After that, only you delete. Okay, ma? Yeah? So that you won't left out anything, Class, have a look this one for a while, please. 你们看这个一下. You see, if I go alternate 5, it's quite short only, right? So you no need to draw so long. Cannot. You can adjust your line to make it shorter. Look nice. Okay, you can erase, then put the arrow. Got it? Yeah? Okay, keep on. Must put the mark, yeah? The scale there, okay? Junior, okay not? Can understand? Okay not? Yeah, Puba. Okay. Cháu xem okay mà cháu xem. Yeah. Plus, if you have finished your number 1.1b, question 1, okay, not? Can I say all of you? How to draw the number line? So, Puba, make sure you do like this, I see. 9 times 1, 9. 9, 2, 18. We don't have. So, 9, 3, 27 like that. Then when you come to left, this is 0. Negative 9, negative 18. Here will be negative 27. You multiply the 9 one, okay? And negative 36 like that. Got it? Yeah? So if you have done, you can try to fill question 2 and see. By fill the suitable number, correct integers. Have a try and see before I start to explain, because I'm still waiting for some of you that not yet finished number 1. How many of you are not yet finished number 1? Okay, keep on. Okay, class, should have done number 1, right? Puba, done, Nana? Number 1? Yeah? Okay, make it fast, yeah? Be fast. So you can follow already, right, Puba? You can follow this number line? You understand already, yeah? Okay. Junior, okay na? Yes, huh? So like class, keep trying number 2. So Puba, you have done number 1, right? Now you're doing number 2, right? Right, together we discuss and see. Then in between 1 and -1, see, alternate 1, -1, middle you put what? Yeah, 0. So if you see like that, is to hint you that alternate 1. 知道我讲什么是 alternate 1 吗？ Okay, alternate 1, huh? So what should I have here? 1, 2, yeah, 3, 4. Here should be 3. Don't be careless. You put 3 here, Puba. Tengok here, must see the scale there, okay? Sorry? Alright, class. Then hint you alternate of what? 2, yes, alternate of 2, right? Okay, now what do you have here? 2, yes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Don't be careless. 天哪，看到吗？这个是 10 来的啊 ，Don't be careless 啊。Okay, 来 I test it and see. 千里 what do you get here? 出来没有？-12, okay. -9, -6, -3. Yeah, 0, yes. If you are careless type, it's okay. You write down. As long as you fill the box. Sienna, as long as you fill the box, right? Maybe after you fill, then you want to erase, it's okay. You can do like that. 明白了没有 ？Okay. Alright, 张翔 what do you have here? -5, 这是0来了啊 0, 5, 10, yes, 15. Okay? Ready? Okay, rest for 5 minutes before I continue the rest. Have a short break. 休息5分钟。 Okay, class, get ready. We continue. For you, Form 1, many chapters. I think got 13 chapters. And also the exercise quite long, so I can't go too slow. Yeah. Okay, number 3. The diagram shows a number line. For beginning, I'm not going to give you work yet. Slowly, okay, you can understand well more for all this already. Then slowly only I give you some work to do. Yeah. Okay. The diagram shows a number line. State whether each of the following statement is true or false. So how? So you state whether it's true or false, meaning that, okay, we see n is a integer, negative integer. Is it true? Then you see 0. Any lies to the left of 0, for sure, is it negative? 在0的左边是 negative 的。Okay, so you tell what? True. Okay, just write down true. Then m is smaller than negative 21. True or false? m 比 negative 21小，对吗？ True or false? False. 越右边越大的 any that to the right is larger or greater than the left one. Okay, 明白吗？右边的一定是比左边的大的。Got what I mean? So means m is it to the right of negative 21? So m is greater, right? Greater, but here tell smaller, salah. So you tell false. Got what I mean? Here, na? Now, so class, meaning that I remember any to the right is greater than to the left. 明白没有？右边的一定是比左边的大的。And is a positive integer. Is it true? Yes, true. Okay, got it, class? 明白了没有？ Number 4. The diagram shows the position of integers j and k. Compare. Okay, 大家看到这个字吗？ Can you see the word compare? When you see compare, you tell which is larger or which is smaller. 这个叫做 compare. So you see j and k. How you tell? So you either can tell what? K is larger than j. Or you can say j is smaller than k. Got it? Okay, na? So is it k to the right of j? J 是在左边 ，K 是在右边，右边的是比较大的 ，OK 呢？So you can tell what K is larger than J, or you can say J is smaller than K. No need to write both, write one only. Write one will do. 写一个就够了哈 ，OK? Understand when you see the word compare? 听了呢？注意啊，看到 compare 这个字啊。Next, the diagram shows a number line. State the largest and the smallest integer that can be marked on the number line. Then, this one is the biggest, the largest. This one is the smallest. Okay, you try to find, see, you see the alternate 5 here? Alternate 5 here, right? So what is this number? Yes, this is 10, right? What about here? Negative 15, right? Negative 15. Okay, good. So you tell like that, huh? So you tell largest value. Largest value is 10. And smallest value. You want to tell largest integer, smallest integer pun boleh. It's okay, right? Got it what I mean? 也可以的啊 Negative 15. Yes, you're right. Okay, now number 6. By using number line. Sometimes you're asked to use number line, sometimes not. But if you're asked to use number line, you must show how you do the number line. After you get the number line, arrange the given integers in ascending order. What is my ascending order? Small to big. Ascending order 华语叫做顺序 在没有？顺序 small to big. Descending order. Descending order means 逆序. Yeah, big to small. So you do like just now number line. You do the number line that just now. I show you one of it. How are you going to do? Yeah, okay. So you see A, yeah, you do like just now. Okay, up to you. Which alternate that you want to apply? Now, okay, can you see the smallest one, -5? So I start from -5. Huh? -5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, and 2. If you that I say, if you that careless type, you do like this, see? -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, you can tell everything. Then you bracket those that given only. 明白我讲什么吗？ so you bracket those that given. Then the answer is, you follow -5, -4, -3. Hey, sorry. Why I say sorry? Because some that not given you cannot write, yeah? 没有给的不要写啊。So you write -5, -4, 0, 1, 2. Got it? 明白我讲什么吗？你就好像刚才这样 you do like just now. You do like just now, number line. From the number line that you have drawn, 2 ways that I taught you, then only you choose the given one to write in ascending order. 明白了没有？ Okay. Uba, is it okay for you? Boleh ya? Any of you that can't follow, ask me on the spot. 直接发问啊。Uba, you know this, you multiply, you use the multiplication of 6. You know, right? Yeah? Okay, good. So after you have drawn the number line, You just follow the figure that you have drawn to write down ascending order. Okay, class, can you understand what I mean? Boleh faham? So for today only, I got you all here. Then following week, I leave some for you to do at home. Yeah, okay. So if you have done number 6, you can continue number 7. You do the same thing, but you copy from right to left. Descending order means you copy the number from right to left. That's how you copy from, see, left to right, right. Descending order, you copy from right to left. Got it? Okay, keep doing number 7. And for Form 1, yeah, some of your school teacher might not allow you to use calculator. 有些老师不给用. So depends. Some school okay can use, some not. So that's why I have to teach you without and with calculator. Yeah. Okay. So for number 6, is it okay? You can check what I have done there. Any of you still need my solution for number 6? Who are okay already, number 6? Yes, huh? Okay, good. Or means you prime. Keep doing first, yeah? Wait for me. Okay, class, let me go through with you number 7. Check whether you can get the answer or not, yeah? Make sure you do all your work accordingly, yeah, because I'm going to mark one, yeah. Yes, so means for descending order, yes, Ziqi. I mean descending order, the number line you still have to do like this. But when you copy the answer, you copy right to left. You cannot use your number line to do the descend opposite one. You go like this. The number line was still the same as usual. But when you copy right to left. You got what I mean? Just as I mentioned, right? The number line will remain the same to draw. From the number line, you want to copy ascending order, you copy left to right. Then descending, you copy right to left. Got what I mean, yeah? 明白我讲什么吗？ Number line will remain unchanged when you do. 明白了没有？ Just when you copy, the way you copy is different only. Okay, can I understand all of you? How to make number line? Yeah. How to get ascending or descending order? Small vehicle. Okay, ready? Yes, huh? Okay, we have a look number 8. Can I go number 8 now, all of you? Any of you still doing number 7? Until we're ready. Okay, make it a bit fast, yeah? For you that have done, have a look number 8 first while waiting for some that not yet, yeah? So, Puba, okay now? You see here? You know how to do already? Like usual, you know, right? Sure? Okay. Junior, have you done number 7 or still doing? Done, yeah? Okay. Puba, you all listen to me first. Later you continue, yeah? Done. On the number line, an integer is 10 units to the right of 0. Another integer is 6 units to the left of 0. You're asked to find the difference of the number. Class, when you see this word, find what? Difference between two integers. Always use the larger number minus the smaller number. You got what I mean? Okay, let's say 2 to 5. 2 to 5. What is the difference from 2 to 5? 3. 5 minus 2, you get 3. You got what I mean? Yeah? Now, so class, okay, what the question mentioned about here? Okay, there's no need for you to draw accordingly already, no need. Here, because the question is asked you to find the difference. Okay, let's say we have 0. We can agak-agak only lah, yeah? Estimate only. Let's say 10 units to the right. Is it 10? Then 6 units to the left. Is it negative 6? You got what I mean? Okay. So means like this type of questions. Question didn't say that by using or by drawing number line. If question said by drawing means you have to draw everything, follow the scale. You like that, you can just sketch the number line will do. Okay. Or you want to put 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, tak apalah, up to you. You know what I mean? Okay. Here, how many units? 10. Here, how many units? 6. So to get the difference, learn from now class. Big number, is it 10? Minus smaller number, is it 6? Learn here. Negative, negative, if meet together, will become positive. Negative, negative, you change to positive when they together meet like that. Okay? So you get what? 16. So this is the answer. Okay? I write down first. Then I'll show you something. Write this somewhere. Okay, your solution. Yeah, like class. Look at my calculator here. You see, 10 minus negative 6, 16. Okay, then? So you can practice with calculator or without calculator. This is without calculator, with calculator. All right, I mean? Okay, Okay, next. Okay, now we can start by calculation already. All of you get ready to my 1.28. Excuse me. Although you can use calculator to calculate class, but I still need to show you without calculator. Why? Because I say, right, sometimes in an exam, the question might say, without using calculator. So you must show the step without using calculator. Some, yes, can use, some cannot. So I want you to understand the situation first. Later only, calculator for sure you key, you can get the answer. Okay, nah? But sometimes in exam, they'll give you more than 1 mark. If you use calculator, is it one step only you get the answer? So you can't get full marks. Yeah, so class, listen to me. Listen to me before I start to explain. I want you to understand the concept of this plus or minus. Must understand well. If not, you'll face some problem of solving to show the solution. Okay, you can imagine just now number line. Number line. Okay, so 3, let's say you are at 3, contoh. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where you go? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? From 3, I ask you to move 7 steps to the right. Then you get 10. Okay, let's say you are at -3. You are at -3. Let's say you are at here. You stand here. No need to copy. Listen to me first. You are here. Okay. Now you are here. I ask you to go 7 steps to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where are you? Okay. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You are at +4. Okay. Let's say you are at 3. I ask you to move left 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. See? Let's say you are at -3. I ask you to move left. Negative means left, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where are you? -4, -5, -6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're at -10. But you can't all the while draw the number line, right? A bit wasting time, right? So you can understand the concept already. First, where are you? You move to the right or you move to the left. Now, okay, see here. I want you to use not calculator, manually, directly to get the answer. Okay, see here. When same sign, apa? Depan, depan. When depan, the same sign in front. If the sign in front the same, you add them up. Nampak? 3 and 7, 10. But you follow the sign. See? Can you see positive here? So it's positive. Positive, no need to write apa. Can you see negative? So you put negative. Contoh, -1 minus 4. Answer? -5. -2 minus 7. Right? -9. -3 minus 10. -13. -4 minus 11. -15. Got it? -9 minus 20. -29. See, when the negative both the same, you add them up. Okay, see, I add them up. Nampak? If both positive, I also add them up, but with the positive sign. Okay? So class, I ask you one question. -1 minus 2 minus 3. All negative nampak? Add them up. 1 and 2 and 3, -6. See this one now, okay, ma? -10 minus 20. -30. Like for example, you owe me 10 ringgit. You owe me again 20 ringgit. You owe me 30 ringgit. I use money, you'll be alert. Okay, class. I owe you 7 ringgit. I owe you another 15 ringgit. How much I owe you? I owe you 22 ringgit. Got it? Okay, now when the sign is the same, you get this number to add up. Follow the sign. Got it? Okay, this one, these two easier. Now, this one a bit confusing already. This one okay already? This one okay already, eh? When you have one negative, one positive, tak kira di mana. 不管在哪里都好. You find the difference. Then the difference is it 4? The difference is 4. Okay, so class, I ask you one question. I close the sign here. Okay, just now you see one positive, one negative, right? So you know, you find the difference, huh? Then, of course, you don't draw the box. You don't use book or what to close the sign. You just see, I ask you one question. You pretend that you didn't see the sign yet, huh? 3 or 7 bigger? I just asked you 3 or 7 bigger? 7, right? 7 bigger, right? See? What is 7? Follow lah. Okay. Understand or not? Okay, let's see, see, Same thing, I close this one. Without the sign here, siapa besar? 7 besar. Ikut. Lah bapak kamu besar, terbesar di rumah, right? So you follow your father's surname. Okay, nak? 明白吗? Okay, again, you see, I test you, -16 plus 4. See different? So you find they're different. What is their different? 16 and 4? The difference is what? 12, right? 16 and 4, the difference is it 12? 12, huh? Okay, 12, huh? So you should put positive 12 or negative 12? So let's say again, kita assume that I tak nampak yang ni. Siapa besar? 16, right? So 16 is what? Negative, right? So di sini kamu letak negative. 这边就是 negative. Okay, again, same sign. You add them up, follow the sign. Different sign, you find the difference. Then you see if didn't see the sign which one bigger, you follow that. Yeah, wait, I test and see. Don't use calculator, I ask one by one. Hùa, Junyan, Cao Xiang, Chian Yi, Ziqi. Can I have an answer? This one Puva, Junyang, Zhao Xiang, Qian, Ziqi, 23, 16. Junyang, I didn't say that you are correct or wrong, Not yet. -6. Hey. 多少？23。加还是减？减啊。子琪
-3
，sorry，大声点，听不到。
-3
-3. Yeah, make sure you all don't use calculator, yeah? Okay, like class. Just now, what did I say? When the sign that's same, when the sign that is the same, you add up, sign same, add up betul, but follow the sign. See, I said when the sign is the same, you add the number, but you follow the sign. Got it? And when the sign is different, see, different, 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 you find the difference. What is the difference? 2. The difference, 6, okay? I didn't say that you're wrong or correct, yeah? The difference 6. The difference 9. The difference is 9. 差数，它的差数7和16的差数是9。Okay? The difference 3, okay? Then just I say what? What did I say? When you assume that you didn't see the sign, you didn't see the sign. Did I? Which one bigger? 9 bigger, right? Positive. Is that clear? So it's positive 2. Right, Julian? Which one bigger? 10. Positive. It's not negative. The answer is positive, okay 吗？可以来赵翔，你也是错了啦，看啊，哪一个大？16说 means what? Negative? -9. Got it? Okay. 倩妮，你站着抽啦。Next. 子琪啊 ，okay, we see when I close it. 11 bigger, right? So 11 is? Yeah, negative. So one student only get correct. Yeah. Stop. Okay. How careless you are. I don't choose to use calculator. Why? Because calculator for sure you can get the answer right unless your calculator sudah rosak. Or the calculator that actual price is 70 something, you go and buy the DIY one, right? The shop of DIY. Don't buy that, you know. Or online 20 ringgit, 15 ringgit. Sometimes that calculator cannot use that. Okay, that might get wrong. Got it? Okay, so means it's okay. Next week I'll go more explanation for this. At the moment, I don't give you any work. So I teach you until here today. Okay? Next week I give you more of this. Got it? Okay, so see you. Bye. You're allowed to leave.